Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho.
Sure, come back the way you came. Wow. Wow!
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you okay?
Procurement requirements in the city of Irvine, California. Okay. So procurements is that first section.
Excited. Today is gonna be so much fun. It's fucking colder than a witch's tit out there!
I'm literally just trying to cut your nails. Okay, come on.